I just cut this tree down with my Husqvarna 142 with a 16-inch blade. The tree was taller than that one. It was about 60 feet. And I also cut 10 other trees. They were all similar size to this one here, just a little bit smaller. So when I cut this tree down, what I did was I worked my way to the end. From this end, everything that was lifted off the ground first. And you see here, the weight is being held by these branches. So I was counting them piece by piece without cutting these first. I didn't cut these first. See, these branches are holding the weight. So that way it doesn't damage the saw. I can cut it while it's still in the sort of in the air. It's being held by this other arm here. So some of the weight is on that and some of the weight is over here. So I'm just working my way slowly and carefully.